Assalamuallaikum everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm Nia Fatima and welcome back to my channel Arabic Classes with Nia. In today's video, you're gonna learn how to introduce yourself and your family in Arabic. So let's begin. Hello, I'm Janet, which means مرحبا أنا جانب. Hello, I am David. مرحبا أنا ديفيد. What is your name? ما اسمك? My name is Janet. My name is David. In Arabic, اسمي David, اسمي جانب. Where are you from? من أين أنت in the female form and من أين أنت in the male form. I am from India. أنا من الهند. I am from Egypt. Do you know how to say that in Arabic? أنا من مصر. You can tell any place where are you from. Now we have how old are you? Do you know how to ask someone how old are you in Arabic? It is كم عمرك in female form and كم عمرك in male form. Next we have the answer for that أنا dash سنوات. I am dash years old. In dash you have to tell how much old are you. Next we have my family. Let's learn how to introduce your family. First we have father. Do you know how to say that in Arabic? Are you ready to see that? In Arabic it is known as al-ab. Let's repeat al-ab. Now let's see our next word. Next we have mother. Do you know how to say mother in Arabic? Let's see. It is known as Let's repeat Now let's see our next member. Our next member is a pet parrot. You can take any pet, but I have just included parrot in it. Now let's see how to say pet parrot in Arabic. It is known as ببغاء أليف. Let's repeat one more time. ببغاء أليف. Next we have brother. And now let's see how to say brother in Arabic. Are you ready to see that? It is known as shaqiq. You can tell shaqiq or akh. Both will be correct. Next word we have sister. Let's see how to call sister in Arabic. In Arabic it is known as ukht. Let's repeat ukht. Next we have grandmother. Do you know how to say grandmother in Arabic? Let's see how to say. So in Arabic it is known as jadda or jaddati. Jadda or jaddati. Now let's see how to say grandfather in Arabic. Are you ready to see that? It is very similar to grandmother. It is Jad or Jaddi. Let's repeat one more time. Jad or Jaddi. Now we have cousins. Do you know how to say cousins in Arabic? It is very easy. Let's see. It is Banat al-Am. Let's repeat one more time. Banat al-Am. This is bonus. We have actions. So let's see. To think. This is our first action. And do you know what to call that in Arabic? It is يفكر. And we have our next action word as to obey, which means أطاع. And next action word we have تعلم, which means to learn. Are you excited to see our next action word? It is تكلم, which means to speak. Are you ready for question and answer? Let's see our first question. What do you call sister in Arabic?
أخت.
Congratulations! Your answer was correct. It was أخت. What do you call learn in Arabic?
تعلم.
Wow! Your answer was correct. Thank you. Bye. Masalama. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in my next video.